Okay, we're in a drought. You need to water your trees, but when you water your trees, don't do this. Instead, you need to do something like this. Oh yeah, that's the ticket right there. Soil takes a long time to absorb water, especially when it's very dry. And so if you go out there with your water hose on full blast, it's just going to wet the top of the soil and then it's going to start running off and not getting absorbed into the ground. But when you put your hose on a slow trickle, lay it down at the roots of the tree and let it run for hours, that's going to slowly soften up the soil and allow that water to penetrate deeper down to the root zone. That low and slow watering is going to be much more valuable and deep than anything that you can do over a short amount of time with a lot of water volume. And the frequency of which you water is going to depend on how established those trees are. A newly planted tree might need that 3 times a week, whereas an older tree that's been in the ground for 20 years might only need that once a month or so. But regardless of the age of a tree, all trees are going to need water during a drought, so make sure you water your trees.